Everyone, today I show you how to use map collection in Java. So let's start. We declare a map by typing map. So map is a set of key and value. So we'll have a key for string and then value for, let's say, student objects. And let's say this is a student map. And then there are different implementation for maps such as HashMap. So we use HashMap here. Okay, and we create a new student. Let's say student 1 and new student, let's say team. And let's create another student. Let's say student 2, new student, and let's say David. There we go. So now we start to add this new student into the map. Instead of using the add function, we use a put function because we need to put the key and value. Let's say team and student 1. So we know that student 1 is team, and we need to use a key called team. Similarly, we do the um, David and student 2. Okay, so now we have two pair in the map. Now if you want to go through the map and get each of the value, we can use the for loop, and in the for loop we have to use entry. And so each of the entry will be a student, a pair of key and value of student, and we go student map, and there will be a function called a method called entry set. So entry set will return all the entries inside the map. So now let's try to system out first the key student dot get key, and then system out student dot value, student get value. Okay, so the student get value is actually the student object. In order to bring this student object out, we can try to implement a method called toString. So toString will bring all the students object as a string. Okay, so now let's try to run it, and hopefully we'll get all the value from the map. Okay, so we have Tim and then we have David. Right, let's try to add another student. Let's say student 3, and let's say this is Mary, right? And then we add Mary into this. Let's Mary and then student 3, then run this again. You see what happens. So you can see that Mary, who we just added, is shown on the top, and Tim and David will show later. So what does it mean? It means that in a hash map implementations, there's no order of insertion, so there's no way to reserve the order in the map. In order to have the order, we have to change it into a new implementation called TreeMap. Okay, and then let's hit the run button. So in the tree map, you can see that we have David, we have Mary, and then we have Tim. So everyone is just in the alphabetical orders. So it's cool, right? And let's try to add another student uh, to prove that tree map will have orders. So let's say the name will be well, we'll try something like Anna, for example. Okay, and then we add this student into the map. So this will be Anna and then student 4, and let's hit the run button. See what happens. Okay, so Anna will be on the top, David will be after Mary and Tim. So everyone just following the alphabetical orders. So thanks for watching. Please try to see more video.